Hello, we are doing English Language Series 15, English Language Series 14, 15 and the 16th one. These three are the revision series. Whatever we have learned so far in the 13 videos, we are going to do a revision. 14th was a revision and now the 15th one. All the infinitive rules which we had learned in a few videos, we're going to learn it now together. First one, we used to play chess. हम chess खेला करते थे. So infinitives means we are using the to and the first form of the verb in most of the rules. Second rule, we are to play chess. We were to play chess. हम chess खेलने वाले हैं. हम chess खेलने वाले थे. We are going to play chess. हम chess खेलने जा रहे हैं. We were going to play chess. हम chess खेलने जा रहे थे. We are supposed to play chess. हमें chess खेलना चाहिए. हमसे अपेक्षित है. We were supposed to play chess. हम chess खेलने हमसे अपेक्षित है या हमें chess खेलना था. We are used to playing chess. हम chess खेलने के आदी हैं. We were used to playing chess. हम chess खेलने के आदी थे. We will be used to playing chess. हम chess खेलने के आदी हो जाएंगे. We may be used to playing chess. हम chess खेलने के शायद आदी हो जाएंगे. We have to play chess. हमें chess खेलना है. We had to play chess. हमें chess खेलना था. We will have to play chess. हमें chess खेलना होगा. We may have to play chess. शायद हमें chess खेलना होगा या खेलना पड़ेगा. We have got to play chess. हमें chess खेलना पड़ता है. We had got to play chess. हमें chess खेलना पड़ता था. We will have got to play chess. हमें chess खेलना होगा या पड़ेगा. We may have to play chess. शायद हमें chess खेलना पड़ सकता है. We have been to. Now we will not use the verb play chess. We will use plays. We have been to. We have been to Shimla. We had been to Shimla. हम शिमला गए हुए हैं. हम शिमला गए हुए थे. I have already explained each of the rules in my series 1 through 13. If you haven't understood them, go back to those videos and learn them. And once you learn all of them, now do the 15th video series for your practice. It's a drill exercise where we have collected all the infinitives together. MR is infinitives, have has infinitives, and have been to have been infinitives. And there are in all 21 infinitive rules. So you would say like this with all the 7 pronouns, and each time you pick up a new pronoun, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, try to take another verb. And after all the positive lines are done, like just now what I did was a positive line, you can do all the infinitives with negatives. Like we didn't used to play chess, we aren't to play chess, we weren't to play chess, we aren't going to play chess, we weren't going to play chess. Like that, keep doing from top to bottom all the 21 infinitives negative. Then do all the 21 infinitives interrogative. Then negative interrogative, WH interrogative, and negative WH interrogatives. Like that you would practice for 1 hour the infinitive rules together. Bye bye.